Will say is this, Sean, when you have inconsistencies with any witness, it speaks volumes. When you pick people that are not credible, it speaks volumes.
The entire internet immediately greeted that with, yeah, it does. When you pick people with no credibility to perhaps serve as your legal spokesperson, it does speak volumes about you, Donald Trump. But Alina Habba did not just go on Fox News to kind of accidentally humiliate herself. No, she wanted to do what Donald Trump cannot do. Donald Trump, for the most part, cannot lash out at witnesses. Only like 10 times can he do it. But Alina Habba can still do it for him, and she did. Take a look at this.
They went ahead and put salacious information that was frankly false. We know that from words that were said prior to this trial. And now we're sitting here scratching our heads wondering where taxpayer dollars are going.
So I guess like taxpayer dollars, they're so worried about the taxpayer dollars. That's the true injustice with this trial, is the taxpayer dollars. But there she just blanket asserted without any evidence, without even saying specifically which comments were false, that the comments were false. Stormy Daniels is a liar. Why? Because of other words we've heard before. Well, do you want to get specific? Like, here's a claim, and here is this thing she said before that's documented. You could compare those two things. She's a lawyer. Like, I would expect for myself, if I was going to assert that something was false, that I would have to bring some receipts. And I'm just an idiot again on YouTube. She is a trained kind of lawyer, and she doesn't feel like she needs to do that. Now, granted, she's on Fox News, a very friendly audience. They just want to be told by someone, particularly by a woman right now, because they're feeling very, like concerned about that area with Donald Trump and all the sexual assault stuff that's been going around, that you don't have to listen to her. And if you can hear from like a Harris Faulkner and a Kennedy that she doesn't deserve your respect either, or your concern or compassion, then that's better too. Like the entire Fox News media infrastructure is just designed to reassure their audience that their worst inclinations are good. Don't question them, don't improve, don't grow, certainly don't wake up, don't be woke. That's what it really feels like. And she's not under the gag order, so she can say stuff like that. But it really does feel the same as having Donald Trump do it. She's not even just a surrogate, she's literally his legal spokesperson. And she's saying the things that if he says he'll go to jail for. I find that interesting, Sharon. What do you make of that?
Yeah, when we reveal low, they go lower. That's literally her mission statement. And I wish there could be a gag order that would cover all of it, including Eric and Don Jr. But there would still be some other nasty human to pick up the slack. This is what we're dealing with, and we have to eradicate it. We have to step up, and public shaming, by the way, is good. Public shaming is good, putting a spotlight on it. It doesn't always have to be this degrading thing, but when it's meant to be in this kind of way to prop up and reveal this ugly way, which has become an ugly American way, it does serve a purpose. You want to live in this filth? Well, you have to look at this filth. You have to breathe in this filth. And that's what we're dealing with here.
Members make a difference here at TYT. You help make the show happen, and we see you in the chat with your loyalty badge. Click the join button to become a member today.